Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to give your Android device a fresh, clean, and professional look by installing the IBM Plex Sans font. If you are tired of the default system look and have a rooted phone, this is a fantastic way to switch things up. This font is known for its excellent readability and modern industrial vibe. We will be using a Magisk Module to apply this system-wide, so make sure your device is rooted and ready to go. Let's get started. First things first, you need the actual font module file. I have left the download link right there in the description. Once you have downloaded the zip file, head over to your file manager just to confirm it is there. It is a lightweight package that replaces your system font configuration without permanently overwriting your system partition, which is the massive advantage of using Magisk for these kinds of modifications. Now, go ahead and launch your Magisk app. At the bottom right of the screen, tap on the Modules tab at the top. Look for the button that says Install from Storage at the top. Tap that and navigate through your folders to find the IBM Plex Sans zip file you just downloaded. Select the file and the flashing process will begin immediately. You will see some volume key options or command lines running on the screen as it mounts the font files. It usually takes just a few seconds to complete the process. Once the installation log says Done, you will see a big blue Reboot button appear at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap that. Your phone needs to restart to initialize the new font configuration and apply it to the user interface. Just sit tight and let the device boot up completely. Alright, we are back up. Unlock your phone and you should immediately notice that the text on your home screen and in your settings menu looks different. To confirm everything's running properly, open Magisk one last time and go to your modules list. You should see the IBM Plex Sans module listed there and toggled on. Just a quick note here, while this works on the vast majority of devices, font rendering can sometimes vary depending on if you're using a heavily modified custom ROM, so you will have to try it on your specific setup to ensure it is compatible. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy the new aesthetic on your device. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more root and customization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.